Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm just checking in on the spring break vlog. Yeah, man, just chilling, watching bro. So that's all right. So I haven't told y'all we got new patio furniture, and this is our first day, pretty much putting it to use. We got it, or we put it together yesterday. Y'all remember I went to Columbia to pick up the other set? Yeah, this is the set that I went to go pick up. I'm laying on it. We got everything set up. This morning we had breakfast. I made breakfast. I made waffles, sausage, bacon, potatoes, and scrambled eggs. It was delicious. We ate it outside. It was a whole vibe. Like, we had a few people over. A few people are still, like one person still left, but I was able to hook up the basketball game. I got a TV out here. So I got my TV out here. I was able to pick up ABC. It's the Lakers on. The Lakers are playing the Denver Nuggets. Y'all know I'm a Lakers fan, diehard Lakers fan, so I'm just so glad I was able to pick up the game. You probably can't see it on there, but the only reason I was able to pick it up is because it was on ABC. And see, I'm using the antenna over there. I'm not sure if you can see. I'm not using it right now. I'm recording it from the sofa thing. Yeah, even got the little aluminum foil on and everything. Yep, the master rigger. But yeah, we had a few Bud Lights. The ladies are on champagne and wine. I'm not sure what you're picking up because I can't see. The sun is bright out here. Yeah, just vibing. So that was just a quick check-in on the spring break vlog. This is just the beginning to the outdoor life, the backdoor patio life. There's a plane flying overhead. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but yeah, I already got plans. We have major plans for this outdoor life this summer. The spring break, we just wanted to, see what the outdoor life be like. And yeah, we love it. So this summer is about to go crazy. We've already been talking about other plans for the patio, thinking about curtains, lights, all that. And I even have a master plan for the whole backyard, so check this out. Alright, so here's a little pan of the whole backyard. It goes a little bit, see where the grass switches. It goes a little bit past that and a little bit down the hill into that ditch. Alright, so starting with this side, we said we wanted two things I'm thinking about is a swimming pool and a basketball court. I'm thinking, all right, so this is a hill. They'll probably dig this down to make it even with, the next door neighbor's yard. And I feel like if they dig that down, we can kind of make a wall and it'll be a swimming pool. I don't know if it'll start from here or from the level that they dig it down to, but swimming pool in this area, we don't want anything too big, maybe like 5 feet, 6 feet deep. Nothing too big. We're working with this side of the yard, and I'm also thinking about having a basketball court. All right, so the swimming pool could probably be like from like here, and they dig it down to the neighbor's part. So the swimming pool will be like here. I don't know how far we want to go, make it how big you want to go with it, but from there, and I guess it'll be a wall right here and separating the neighbor's part right there, if you can imagine that. And maybe a basketball court, maybe in this area here. So, basketball court. Then we got the sitting area. And then We just got more yard over here on this side. I don't know. Yeah, that's just some of my thoughts. Yeah, I'm just using the kitchen rag to block the sun right now because we don't have curtains and the sun is blazing. Well, it's not really blazing. It's just when it's on you for a long time. Yeah, you know that feeling. So yeah, spring break vlog. Let's get it. Bye, guys.